Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we will discuss about exercise 8E class 5 junior math. So question number 1 that on Sunday a restaurant had 100 guests. 13 by 20 of the guests were male. So how many were female? Okay, so first what we can say in this question, on Sunday the restaurant had 100 guests. So the number of guests, we can write the number of guests on Sunday equal to 100. Okay, 13 by 20 of the guests were male. So male guest equal to how much? Male guest is equal to 13 by 20 of the guest. Guest means here how much? Guest means 100. This guest means this 100. Okay, so we can find out this one male guest how much? Now 13 by 20 of means multiply guest, total guest here 100, so into 100. So now is there any cancellation? Yes, 2 1 0 1 0 you can cancel, 2 5 is 10, 13 5 is 65 guest. Okay, so now I am clear that male guest is this much. So question here asking the how many were female guest. So therefore female guest is equal to female guest is equal to number of male, total number of guest minus of male guest, then we will get the total number of female guest. So here total guest is 100 minus of male guest equal to 65. So 100 minus 65 equal to 35 is the female guest. So we can write down here how many were female. So 35 were female guest. Okay, so now question number 2. Question number 2 is asking Adi had 50 rupees. He spends 2/5 of it. Okay, Adi had total money that is 50 rupees. He spent 2/5. 2/5 means 2 by 5 of it. A bit is there. How much money does he spend? So how much money does he spend? So we can write here what? Adi had a 50 rupees. We can write total money had by Adi is equal to 50 rupees. So he spent 2/5 of it. He spent 2/5 of it. So it means he spent 2/5 of it. That is 2 by 5 of it means what? It means 50 rupees. So into 50. So 2 by 5 into 50. Here you can cancel 5 here, 5 and 10. So 10 to the 20 rupees. So he spent how much rupees? So A bit our clear. So he spent 20 rupees. B bit that is how much money was left? Money left with Adi is equal to total money minus money spent. Total money that is 50 rupees and money spent that is 20 rupees. So how much money is there? So 30 rupees. How much money left? 30 rupees left with Adi. Okay, is it clear all of you? 3 number that is 3 number is question. The product of two fraction is 4. If one of them is 3 by 8, find the other fraction. Product of two fraction is 4. Okay, so now we can write this one. Product of 2 number, 3 number that is product of two number, product of two fraction is 4. Suppose here is one fraction multiply by another fraction, that is equal to 4. Okay, and one of the number given, one of the fraction given, that is 3 by 8. Find out the this fraction. Already in exercise 8D I clear you all of you how to do this type of question. If there will be any two multiplication, you will do the right hand side divided by left hand side which number is there. Okay, so how you can write this one? You can write directly here, the product of two fraction is equal to 4. One of them is equal to 3 by 8. So other fraction what will be here? Other fraction is equal to, so this right hand side divided by left hand side, so 4 divided by 3 by 8. Okay, here 4, if you will do reciprocal of this number, then multiply by 8 by 3. So 8 4 ja 32 by 3. This is your answer. So you will do this one in mixed fraction, 10 whole 2 by 3. Okay, other fraction is, you can write therefore this other fraction is 3 by 8. Question number 4. Question number 4, that is, what number should be divided by 2 whole 1 by 4 to get 2 by 3? What number should be divided? Okay, so we can write this one, what number should be divided by, what number should be divided by 2 whole 1 by 4, then we will get 2 by 3. What should be divided by 2 by 3? Sorry, what should be divided by 2 whole 1 by 4 to get this number? Okay, so again if this type of question will be there, so this one you can write in the form of multiplication by reciprocal of this number. So there dash number divided by here, that improper fraction will be 9 by 4 is equal to 2 by 3. And here if you will do the multiplication, here 4 by 9 will be there is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so now this question is exactly equal to 3 number now. So here the number will be 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 9. You can do this one, 2 by 3 multiply by 9 by 4. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, I hope all of you clear this one. So you can write this one properly.